And now for something completely different. This is my wife's 05 PT Cruiser with turbo that has an oxygen sensor error. And I did do a search on YouTube, couldn't find one, how to replace it with the turbo. Without the turbo, you go in through the top, apparently. With the turbo, you have to get underneath. So that's what we're going to be doing, and it's Valentine's Day. Always play it safe. And your first thing should be remove the negative battery terminal so you don't blow nothing up. And maybe it helps reset things. But yeah, first things first. Sure you're properly supported. The jack is just sitting there. I do have a jack stand underneath there. So, okay. For reference, this is the sensor 2, which is in the catalytic converter. I did actually replace this because I misplaced my tester, so I wasn't sure which one it was. Didn't fix the error, so. But that's where this one is. It's pretty easy to get to. So here is the sensor 1. It's hard to film this. That's why nobody else has done a YouTube video of it, I guess. Whether I can get my hand in here. That's exhaust manifold. That's alternator. And right in the middle there is the oxygen sensor. And I squirted it with some PB Blaster. Well, I took it for a spin and drove it around to get it a little bit warmed up, which they recommend. I'll put a little PB Blaster in there and we'll see if we can get it loose. Number 2, the connector for the oxygen sensor, you have to access from the top, and that's where it is. And I think I'll have to get a tiny screwdriver, stick it in there to get that pulled loose. Get the special socket on there. I don't even know if this is very helpful, but got a wrench on there, 22 millimeter or 7/8. And the check engine light is gone. Happy anniversary.